Hello and welcome to Little Champs Learning. In this lecture, we will talk about polygon. A polygon is just another word for shape. That sounds quite simple, right? But there is more to it. It is just not any shape that can be called as polygon, but polygons have some specific property. Before we discuss the properties, let's see at this picture. In this picture, you can see polygons everywhere. This signboard is in the form of a polygon. You can see the kite flying high in the sky is also a polygon. Now, let's talk about those specific properties of polygon. So, first, the polygons have three basic elements. They are made up of sides, angles, and vertices. Look at this hexagon. It has 6 sides. Sides are the line segments which make polygon. Vertices are the points where two adjacent lines meet, and angle is the inclination between two sides. So this figure total has 6 sides, 6 vertices and 6 angles. The next thing we want to know about a polygon is it's a closed figure. All its vertices are joined together. There is no gap that something can come out of this closed figure without crossing the sides. So these are all examples of closed shapes and these are all examples of open shape. The last thing is that the polygon are flat shapes or two-dimensional shapes made up of straight lines only. The polygon does not have any curved line or it is not made up of curved lines. Though polygon themselves can't be 3D shapes but can be used to make 3D shapes. Like this triangular prism. The triangular prism have 2 faces as triangle and 3 faces as rectangle. So the triangle and the rectangles are flat shapes while they sum up to make a 3D shaped triangular prism. We can conclude that polygon is a multi-sided shape which has 3 or more sides. It is a closed shape. It is two-dimensional. It is a flat shape. Let's look at the following geometric figures and let's discuss whether they are polygon or not a polygon. So the first figure you can see is not a closed figure. It is an open figure, so it is not a polygon. Second figure is a closed figure, though it is flat too, but it is made up of a curved line, so this can't be called as polygon. The third figure you can see is a multi-sided figure. It is made up of a straight lines only and it is flat too, so this is a polygon. This figure is the combination of the straight and the curved lines. I don't know exactly what to call this, but this can't be a polygon as it has one element as curved lines. The next is a simple star which has closed boundaries. It is a flat shape and it is made up of a straight line. So this is a polygon. The next star you can see here, the edges are crossing each other. So polygon is a flat and simple shapes. The edges cannot cross each other. So this can't be a polygon. The last one is a cube. Cube you see everywhere like a dice or you play with a Rubik cube. And cube is not a polygon because it is 3D figures. Polygons can be classified in different ways. So you can see they are classified as regular, irregular and depending on the number of sides they have. A regular polygon has all sides and all angles equal, whereas an irregular polygon does not have all angles nor sides equal. Here you can see some examples of regular and irregular polygons. They can also be classified as depending on the number of sides. Triangles are the types of polygon which has 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. They are closed figure. So you can see this slice of a pizza is a triangle in shape. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. This sandwich or kite are the form of a quadrilaterals. Pentagon has 5 sides. This figure has a shape of a pentagon. If we talk about hexagon, it has 6 sides, 6 angles and 6 vertices. And this honeycomb shell has 6 sides A seven-sided polygon is called as heptagon, whereas eight-sided polygon is called as octagon. Then we follow nonagon and decagon. So this was all about polygons. I hope everything was clear about polygon. Let's revise. So polygon are plane figures made up of straight lines. They are closed figures. They are made up of parts, sides, vertices and angles. They can be classified as regular, irregular and also depending on the number of sides.